Hello, what is your name?
My name is Vicky Ayumen Bautista.
How old are you?
I'm 42 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm born again Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Have one boy, ma'am.
How old?
8 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
In Cyprus, ma'am.
How many years there?
3 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Shut, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500 square feet.
How many family members there?
2.
How many children?
No children.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 6 o'clock, preparing the breakfast of the daughter, and then start doing my household. At 8 o'clock, I wake up my elderly, give breakfast,
And then?
changing diaper, changing clothes, take a bath. Three times a week, I bring him to the center.
Okay.
I
And
do
then
also cleaning.
cooking,
Cooking.
right? But do you go market?
Sometimes I go market.
Okay. So, what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook 5 o'clock.
What time you eat? What time they eat?
I give the elderly 5:30, then we eat with the daughter 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay. So, what time you go to bed?
7 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you so much.